Hi everyone! In this video, we will discuss about what is the difference between a weave and a hair extension. Tired of your fine hair? Dream of more volume? Wanting a few extra inches? Or just scrolling on Instagram for new inspirations and all you see is celebrities and influencers raving about hair extensions? If you are any of these people, don't worry, because you are in the right place. So friends, let's find out what is the difference between a weave and a hair extension. Individual hair extensions, as the name suggests, are individually applied in the hundreds and are suitable for most hair types. They are typically attached to the natural hair with some sort of adhesive or a small lock/ring. Generally, they are suited to those with thinner hair as they are very lightweight and flexible. Individual extensions have many names, such as tiny tips, nano tips, bonds, etc. They cannot be self-fitted, so you'll definitely need to choose a trusted and suitably qualified professional. Easy to style, and relatively lightweight even in high ponytails, the only setback to them is that they are sometimes visible in the most fine hair types. Hair extensions fitted using the weave technique is for people who want thicker hair, maximum volume, and want faster fitting times. They are seamless and made on a continuous strip, weft together. They can look very natural and are for people who want to totally transform their natural hair. The various weave techniques like the LA weave or the flat track weave are secure and blend well with your natural hair. They cover your blunt cuts and blend with the thicker hair well. You get the extra length and volume in your hair that you've always dreamed of. Weaves are held better in thicker hair, but a lot of those with fine hair can also enjoy the same benefits if applied correctly by a trusted technician. Both individual and weave hair extensions have their charm and pros and cons. The decision on whether to choose individual extensions or a weave depends on your personal preferences and suitability. Although people consider individuals and weave hair extensions on the same level producing similar results, there is a difference. With weaves like the latest naked weave, they are discreet and blend into your natural hair like they were never there. However, they can be worn up high on a less frequent basis due to their weight. So, when people tell you that weaves might prompt a hair loss, you know that's not true if you are going for a credible professional that provides you with the correct aftercare advice. You know your hair better than everyone else, but here we are, the experts in individual hair extensions and weaves. You now know which door to knock for your individual versus weave extension queries. We hope now you are clear about what is the difference between a weave and a hair extension. If you are looking for fine quality and affordable hair extensions, then you must check out Ah Hair International. You will find any type of hair extension you want.